You don't bring me flowers anymore.
You don't bring me flowers. You don't sing me love songs. You hardly talk to me anymore. When you come through the door at the end of the day, you couldn't wait to love me. You used to hate to leave me. Now after loving me late at night, when it's good for you and you're feeling alright, well, you just roll over and turn out the lights. You don't bring me flowers anymore.
It used to be so natural to die forever, but used to be's don't count anymore. They just lay on the floor till we sweep them away.
Baby, I remember all the things you taught me.
I learned how to laugh, and I learned how to cry.
Well, I learned how to love, even learned how to lie.
So you think I could learn?
So you think I could learn how to tell you goodbye? You don't bring me flowers anymore.